Hey everyone, so this is a quick video to show you how to do a factory reset on your iRobot Roomba vacuum cleaner. If the thing is just bugging and you don't know what to do and you've decided it's just to try to start over on a clean slate, you can go ahead and do this factory reset to set it back to the way it was. So the way that you're going to do that is you're going to press, basically it has these three buttons. It has a home button, the clean button, and the spot clean button. What you're going to do is you're going to hold all three of those buttons at the same time for several seconds, and after you've held it for several seconds, you'll see the light on the clean button will start to swirl around, and once it starts to swirl around, then you can let go of the buttons and the Roomba will restart. And when the Roomba restarts, it will have restarted with the default factory settings. So anyways, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching and have a great day.